Hello and welcome to We Food Hard. Today we're going to be making a special pizza for the 4th of July. Okay, so when we're talking about 4th of July foods, we're talking burgers, brats, hot dogs, maybe even a few beers. Let us know what your favorite food item on the 4th of July is in the comment section below. So today we're going to be making a Cheddar Brat pizza, and I couldn't be more excited. So let me walk you really quickly through the ingredients that we need, and we'll get this thing started here. Okay, so the first thing that we need to talk about is our pizza dough. Now, the other day I was watching a video from Weeds and Sardines about his 1-hour pizza dough recipe, and it turns out that he made it with beer, and I thought, what goes better with bratwurst than beer and a beer pizza dough? So I can't give you the recipe for it, but I will link his channel in this video here so that you guys can check his stuff out. I highly recommend you looking into it because he has some really awesome pizza stuff there, and he does a lot of other stuff too. I don't know him at all. There's no affiliation here. I just really appreciate his content. So we're going to be using his 1-hour pizza dough today, and I've tested it out. It is awesome. So pizza dough's done. We have a stone ground mustard. I'm not using a pizza sauce. I'm just going to stone ground mustard the crap out of this dough here. We have some bratwurst that I actually cut the links and I rolled them into some pretty decent sized brat balls here. And we're going to throw those on the pizza. We have some caramelized onions, and then we're going to top it off with a sharp cheddar cheese. We're not going to overload the cheese just because we really want all these flavors to come out, but I have a sharp cheddar cheese because who doesn't love a cheddar brat? So without further ado, let's get this thing built. Okay, so now that our pizza's built, we're actually going to be cooking it in a Ninja Foodie digital air fry oven, but you can do this in your oven as well. Our oven only goes up to 450 degrees, and we found that the best method for that, taking a baking sheet, flipping it upside down, and then you could actually cook with the parchment right onto that baking sheet. We found that 12 to 14 minutes worked the best in a 450 degree oven. We're actually cooking, like I said, in an air fryer though, so we're going to crank that up to 450 on the air fry setting. But what we do is we preheat our baking sheet that it came with so that that's really hot when we slide the pizza onto it. So we're going to cook that for about 8 minutes. We're going to keep an eye on it. We're looking for our cheese to melt out nicely and our crust to start coming up and be a nice golden brown. So we will see you when this thing is done cooking. Okay, so our Cheddar Brat pizza just came out of the oven, the air fry oven, and I don't even know what to say about this thing. It's going to be a minimum requirement to eat this thing twice. Once with your eyes, once with your mouth. So let me get you a look at this beautiful pizza. I mean, this thing just looks incredible. The smell coming off of it, I wish you could smell it too. This thing looks amazing. So before I cut into it and take my first bite, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. If you thought this was a cool looking pizza, make sure you share this video. Help us out, share the video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you don't miss anything like this that we have coming out. And don't forget, work hard, food harder. The dough is nice and airy. This pizza just looks so amazing here. So okay. So You catch a hint of that beer flavor in the dough. That bratwurst is cooked perfectly. And that mustard's coming through, the caramelized onions, that sharp cheddar just gives it, it picks it up just a little bit. This is a really, really, really awesome tasting pizza here. I highly recommend you try this out. Make sure you check out Weeds and Sardines dough recipe for this and his channel. Like I said, he's got some great stuff. And I just want to say thanks for watching. Have a happy and safe 4th of July. We'll see you next time.